Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 328 by 2. First up, we look at the first digit of 328, which is 3. We're going to use the digit 3 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2, that's what we have so far. Now we subtract 2 from 3, that leaves us with 1. You're doing awesome, 1 down, more to go. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 2, to join the 1. Great job, we now have 12 to work with. We're using the 1 from the previous step and the next digit 2, that makes 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? It fits 6 times, wow. Let's check 6 times 2 is 12, exactly. 12 minus 12 equals 0, no remainder this time. You're crushing it, keep that amazing energy going. Let's bring down the last digit 8 to see what we have next. Last step we have the digit 8. We're focusing on the 8 now, we've got this. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It fits exactly 4 times. 4 times 2 equals 8, perfect. 8 minus 8 is 0, we have no remainder left. You did it, you solved the whole puzzle. We've used all the digits, and our answer is 164. So 328 divided by 2 is 164. Great job, everyone! We tackled 328 divided by 2 step by step and found our answer. See, long division is like a fun puzzle and you're all becoming amazing puzzle solvers. That's all for today, keep practicing and remember, every math problem you solve makes you a math superstar. See you in the next video.